Good morning, I'm Nidhi. I'm a professor at Pimpri Chinchwad University. I'm teaching in the School of Media and Communication Studies. My major area is new media. Apart from that, I also teach PR, events, advertising, and public relation is already happening. Yes.
Okay. So we'll start from a simple question. What's your favorite color?
Oh my god. I don't even know. Black.
Okay, black's your favorite color. And what's your favorite subject?
New media is my favorite subject.
Okay. And before PCU, what were you doing earlier?
Okay, I have started with as a reporter in Lokmat Times with Lokmat Media Group. Then later on, I switched to academics. Then I was working in MIT University, Mumbai as an assistant professor for their media school. And then later on, I shifted to Pimpri Chinchwad University.
Is there any specific answer for why Pimpri Chinchwad University?
Okay, so we were establishing a media school here, and this was the first time. So basically, I like the working culture, and it also held a very good tradition, especially with the PCET trust that they had, and it was a little exciting for me because since it was establishing, that's why I chose Pimpri Chinchwad University.
Okay. So you said your favorite subject is new media. Can you explain something about it?
Okay. So when it comes to new media, actually the definition, academic definition itself is not restricted to the number of words because new media, the word itself connote that anything that will be new in media will be considered to be the part of new media. So it's a very extensive and is a very extensive subject basically. So it consists of everything, right from digital media to social media, from websites, mail till marketing, digital media marketing. So it comprises everything, and that's why I find it very much interesting that it goes along with the time. It is not rigid like that of traditional media. So new media, as we say, it's going to cover everything, and even in the coming times, it will still be very dynamic.
So what opportunities do you seek in new media for students in future?
Okay. So as I've said, new media itself is a very dynamic field. So it is going to have everything, and especially for the students who are living in this age of new media, it is going to open a plethora of opportunities for them because they live with this media and they understand this media better. So you can go for social media marketing, the digital marketing, till content creator to any sort of thing that is the part of new media. You can do freelancing while studying, so it does not have any age restriction. It does not have the restriction of degree as well. If you are creative, you can be the part of it. If you understand the nuances of new media, you can be the part of it.
Okay, what should someone be aware of before coming into new media industry?
Okay. So as I've said, new media industry, that's something like that is going to make you the part of it. So you do not have to specifically have any you will get to learn it. You can get to learn it throughout. It's just that to have the basic understanding of how does it work. Rest of the other things are like if you go too much technical into it, and if you're good with that, new media is there for you. If you're very creative, then also new media is there for you. So it's basically you should be the part of it. You should know how to use it and understand the technicality of how it works. Rest you can be.
Do you think that new media introduces some negative points with it too? Like every coin has two sides.
Yeah, of course, as every coin has got two sides. So same happened with new media. It was with traditional media as well. I would not say specifically about new media, but with traditional media as well. Like when television came, everybody was like, it's ruining the culture. It was called as idiot box. But now you see the same is happening with new media. If you know how to get through it, if you know how to earn from it, so then new media is a blessing for you. But if you will just be like, scrolling through somebody else's content for hours and hours, then definitely it's a waste of time, I would say. But if you know how to take it as an opportunity, then there are so many things waiting out there.
Will you go for new media if you get any chance in future?
Of course. I would not say that I have stopped anything regarding media. Of course, I am a student of media. I am still the part of this media industry. So definitely, new media I have always found it very fascinating, and like while being there with academics also, I try to be the part of new media. Definitely.
One message would you like to give to students
Okay. Regarding.
regarding new media and studies?
Okay. So a message I would like to give to the students will be just do not just be the consumer of the content on new media. You can also think about how you can produce or recreate the content in your own way. Also try to understand that you don't have to be getting fascinated just because somebody else is like because one influencer is doing it, that's why you want to get into it. No, you can be a manager also. You do not need to be in front of the screen always. You can also understand behind the scenes of it, and then there are ample of opportunities for you. Also, just for the media students, I would just be say that media is very dynamic, and so should be your personality. You should be ready to do everything and anything because media is very vast. There's everything for you, and you can be there for everything.
One line with which you would like to end the video.
Okay. Just be dynamic. Thank you.